Hi guys, today I'm talking about the Brebon Weighted Hula Hoop. Also be showing you how to assemble it, put it together and how to use it. So guys, the Weighted Hula Hoop is an upgraded, more advanced version of the normal hula hoops, which I think all of us are aware about. So this has this weighted ball, added to the normal hula hoop mechanism, which adds more like resistance to your workout. So this is an excellent resistance training workout, especially for the core, abdomen. So if you want to burn fat more quickly, let's say if you're someone who doesn't have the time to hit the gym, you just have maybe 15-20 minutes, that is all you can sneak out on daily basis, then this is excellent. So in very less amount of time, if you want to burn more calories, then like adding resistance training hula hoop like this is an excellent choice for you. So guys, this is made up of ABS hard plastic, which is a little more durable, so there is not much wear and tear of the equipment, and also it fits the waist size up to 110 centimeters, so something like 43 inches. So guys, overall easy to assemble, easy to use, also adds fun element to your workouts, more variety. So even if you're someone who likes to do other things like yoga and all, but maybe still you can keep like few days in a week for this thing. So guys, this is what you receive. There is a user manual which also shows you how to attach everything, and if you see, these are just loose parts. So basically you have to combine all of these together to form a circular hoop. And this is the weighted ball that we put inside the hoop to increase the resistance. So guys, we're going to take these two parts, and it's very simple actually. You will see these two clips going inside the hole. So there. So this way I create the whole loop first. So guys, once this thing is like the waist size, you will take the weighted ball and I'm going to put this section right here. So once this is inside, you're going to just drop this. Yeah, guys, you have to throw this section in the air in a fashion that it doesn't fall. Comes out like this. Also, I would consider it like a nice gift item. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video. Bye bye.